You can use vinegar with soap to help break up certain organic toilet clogs, but use it carefully and do not expect it to clear hard mineral or rigid blockages. White vinegar works as a mild acid that can soften and dissolve organic waste and soap scum, while liquid dish soap lubricates and helps displace air pockets to allow the mass to pass. To try this at home, pour about 1 cup of liquid dish soap into the bowl and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes so it coats the clog and lubricates trapped material. Next, add 2 cups of white vinegar slowly. You will see some bubbling as the acid reacts with residues and the soap emulsifies fats. Let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes to an hour. For tougher organic buildup, repeat the process once more and give it several hours or overnight to work. If the water level is low, add warm, not boiling water from waist height to provide gentle force and heat. Do not use boiling water because porcelain can crack and wax, seals can be damaged. Always ventilate the bathroom and avoid mixing vinegar with commercial bleach or products that contain sodium hypochlorite because that combination produces toxic chlorine gas. Common issues are expecting instant results, using the wrong temperatures, and assuming all clogs are organic. If you expect instant results, you may unnecessarily keep adding chemicals or force water and worsen a partial blockage. Be patient and repeat the soap and vinegar sequence with wait periods. If you use boiling water, you risk damaging the toilet and seals. Instead, use warm water from a kettle or pitcher poured gently from waist height to add flushing force. If the clog is mineral buildup, a hard object, or a foreign item, vinegar and soap will not work. Stop and switch to mechanical methods such as a flange, plunger, or a closet auger, and call a professional if those fail. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we share real experiences about methods like using vinegar and soap for clogs. We help contractors find work by exposing them to project leads and homeowner conversations so both sides can learn and connect.